There you go, guys. I don't want you to miss out on all the fun. This is for everyone that gets to wear shorts. Here's what the snow looks like. No beautiful beaches. My plow. Oops. Man, I just shoveled this about 3 o'clock after work. My Silverado has two-wheel drive. Auto, all-wheel drive. Then we got some four-wheel drive, and then we got four-wheel drive low. Put it in neutral. I'm gonna put it in auto. All-wheel drive. Pretty cool. To help out in the snow. Go down the street. I gotta turn around and go in the driveway. Here's the snow. I don't mind driving in the snow. It's just other people you gotta watch out for. Because actually, it could be fun driving in it. Got an all-wheel drive now. Really don't need the four-wheel drive part. All-wheel drive works pretty good in this 2016 Silverado. Helps out pretty good when it's snow's not that deep. Got to really watch out for that ice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Figure I'd make this little video about the snow.